This video will focus on mixing a range of values using black and white paint. For this activity, it really is just an exercise in mixing the values. So I'm going to use this ready mix paint, so it's poster paint or tempera, whatever you like to call it, and I'm just going to use black and white. So what I've done is I've mixed up, well, I haven't mixed up yet, I've got the black in the middle. I've actually got a little too much black, but never mind, and then sets of white. When you're mixing colours, you want to add the darker colour to the light colour, and you'll find that a little bit of black will go a very, very long way. What you want to do is try and mix up, you can try and create a value scale, going from very, very dark to very, very light. In this case, just the grayscale. So I'm going to start with just the white, and I'll just put a little bit here, white on white, not showing up, that's okay. Alright, next I'm going to try and mix up a little bit darker, so I'm going to just dip the brush in a little bit. Okay, and actually I might even scoop up. Now you see how quickly that goes quite dark. So there. This time, so I mixed up a grey and then I added the grey to the white. A little goes a very long way. Alright, I'm going to put that onto the paper. You can do little patches, squares, it's completely up to you, little circles. I'm now going to do the same thing again. Now I could go around the palette, or I can just add a little more into what I've got. So I'm steadily building it up. It's much easier to add the darker colour and build up the darkness than to go the other way and try and remove it. Okay. Same again. And then add it. Might be a little bit bolder this time. Ooh, that's gone really dark. That's okay. So we can use this for a value scale painting. So when you practice doing this, you're practicing just really seeing how much black and white you actually need. It's not much difference. Okay, I'll just add a bit more black here. So as it gets darker, you notice that I'm returning to the black more frequently. You want to end up with a minimum of 4 ranges. I'm actually going to end up with quite a lot here, but 4 to 5 will be enough to create a simple value painting. Okay, I'm going to now that is almost black. So I'm going to add a really big scoop of black, barely any white. And finish with the pure black. I've slightly run out of space. Oops, never mind. Okay, so there you have it. Light, getting darker, darker, all the way to the very black. As I said, you want to aim for 4 to 5. Okay, 4 or 5 ranges, but I want you to practice this first before you take it to your painting.